Chief Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, after officially inaugurating the beautiful stadium, ACA Cricket Stadium Umrangshu and Singya Tularang Pavilion. हम तालियों के साथ हमारे मुख्यमंत्री को स्वागत करेंगे. We thank him for his presence here. Something that we have not.
Whoa, lan muni kyo mai, munto bano.
And the fans making it a moment for our Honorable Chief Minister Assam. Looks spectacular as he would be
Jo, muni ong
joining
pick de ya. Oh,
the stage.
Chief
We
Minister
welcome
bang ya,
our
anang bang son.
officials from BCCI, dignitaries from Assam Cricket Association to kindly join us. We also have the presence of our executive ex-members of the Mahasal Autonomous Council. सभी लोगों को मंच में सीट्स ग्रहण करने की अनुरोध.
Thek long lên na, to dem lên đây. कहाँ पे है? ओए ठो दिखाई दिया आपको कोई दिखाई नहीं दिया माथा दिखाई दिया
हमको भी माथे
दिखा
दिखा
बिल्कुल दिखाई नहीं दे रहा ओए ठो
माथा में क्यों गया
कहाँ पे
ये ले ले
अरे मेरा भाई लोग कहाँ चला गया Jo, menit ong pergi menit. Jo, Sam Chief Minister bang menit ong pergi. Ning rong mem yo. Jo.
Ang angry ba?
Jo, menit ong pergi yo. Jo.
Hello teacher. Hello.